Hi guys, Sockie here. Yay! I'm so excited. So excited! What's today? Today is drawing day to see who wins art supplies. So cool, yeah.
So what are they gonna win, you remember?
Your favorite pad of paper.
Oh yes, the Stratford. This is the Stratford, the most awesome paper ever.
Yeah.
And what else we got here?
Oh, yeah. Colored pencils, 24 pack. It's what I use. Yeah.
And what else do they win?
Oh, pencil.
Delicious pencils. Well, no.
No, we don't need those.
Yeah, you're learning. What else do we have here? What is this? My favorite what?
Eraser.
No, we don't need that either.
Oh, but they're such good erasers.
Oh, they're the best. And we're gonna win some
Sharpies. 2 packs of Sharpies.
What else do we got here?
Oh, pencil sharpener.
That's a pretty good deal, huh? Pretty exciting?
Yeah.
How many am I giving away? How many packs? I mean, how many kits?
2.
Do you think that's enough?
No.
I know. We had such a good response that I'm gonna give away 3 art kits.
Wow, that's so good. But you know what? I don't think that's enough.
Really? Well, that's all I can afford. That's about it. That's what I got coming out of my wallet.
Well, I've been saving up some money, and I want to buy some little mini kits.
Well, what's gonna be in your mini kit?
Everything but the paper. It's gonna be so cool.
You can afford that? What have you been doing to make money?
I do odd jobs. I mow lawns. I walk dogs.
You can walk a dog.
Oh yeah, I'm a really good dog walker, and I even pick up their poop.
Well, that's pretty stinky.
I know. I don't like that part.
Okay, you ready to start drawing? Oh, what do they have to do if their name is called? What should they do?
Oh.
Here's a paper.
You just have to email right here your name and your address, so Shara can send you your art kit.
Okay, good. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna first draw the first 3 names. And the first 3 names are gonna get the bigger art kit from me.
Yeah.
And then how many little mini kits do you want to send out?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're gonna do 4?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, well that's pretty impressive, pretty exciting. All right, you ready to pick out the first one?
Yeah, here we go.
All right, I'll help you. All right, first name up to get the giant art kit is going to be Lucy Alexander from Utah.
I'm so excited.
Okay, that's the first one for the big art kit. All right, go in there, get another one. Who's gonna be next for the big art kit? Who's it gonna be? This is going to be Kate Larcher from Iowa.
Yay, Kate.
Okay, last one for the big art kit. Go on in there. Who's it gonna be? So excited. We have Eden Ransom.
Good job, Eden.
Yeah, Eden Ransom. But we're not done yet because we have mini art kits, everything but the paper. So those are the first ones.
So exciting.
So this is very kind of you to buy 4 mini kits for everybody else.
I know, but I just love everybody.
Okay, you ready to pick the 4 that you choose? Okay, dig on in there. Okay, who's the ones getting the everything but the paper? David Smith from Washington.
Yay, David! Yay!
Okay, so he gets your mini kit. Okay, who's gonna be next to get the kit from Sockie? Kristen Southworth from California.
Yay, Kristen!
Okay, you're getting an art kit from Sockie. Okay, next one up, we get 2 more. 2 more, guys. 2 more mini kits from Sockie. Hayden Hernandez from Texas.
Yay, Hayden! I'm so happy.
All right, last one. Are you ready?
Okay, here we go. Last one.
Okay. I'm so excited. Who's it gonna be? Tessa from North Carolina.
Tessa! I'm gonna mail you an art kit. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna write a little message just for you guys.
Well, that's pretty sweet of you. This has been a pretty exciting day, huh? You ready to go take a nap now?
Okay, I'm awake now.
All right. So, what do they have to do?
They have to email you so we have your name and address so we can mail your kit.
All right. So, until next year, make sure you guys keep drawing.
Bye, guys. Bye, bye.